What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I'm going to show you how to make $1,000 per week at any age online. Doesn't matter if you are 15 years old, 50 years old, 85 years old. You can do these two things, and it's actually very simple. Both things I personally do myself. Now watch this entire video because I do have a special discount code, so make sure you go and check that out. But let's get into the video. Alright, so first thing you need to know is we are going to talk about retail arbitrage and private labeling items online. Now, why do I want to talk about those two things? So the image that you just saw on my screen right behind this little box of me talking is an item that I have found at Target. Okay, I find it all the time, and you can sell it on eBay and you can sell it on Amazon. Okay, the reason why I want to show you retail arbitrage and private label is because anybody can do it. Retail arbitrage is something so simple that you probably have hundreds or thousands of dollars just laying around your house and you don't realize it. Private labeling items is so simple, you can private label almost anything, and it can be a very profitable item for you if you understand the right way to do it. So what I wanted to show you is that there is a discount code below. There's a link down in the description box. We'll give you 50% off my private label course. So if you're interested in it, go check it out. Now let me talk about this a little bit. Okay, so this right here, this is Target. Okay, you can see the little Target sign up here. This item right here, it's not available for shipping, but I do have it at my local store, which is the Northgate Mall here in Seattle. And so I can go pick that up if I wanted to for $5.99. All right, probably thinking, well, okay, but how much money are you gonna make? Well, on Amazon, this exact item is currently selling for, okay, about $56. Okay, you can see here, this is called a Keepa chart. This kind of tracks to see what it's selling for, how much it's going for, the current ranking, all that stuff. Okay, that'll be for a different video. But what I want you to understand is this is currently selling for $56, and you buy it for $6. So you can make like $40 profit off this one item. Okay, so let's say they have 15 of these and I can sell them all on Amazon for that price. Great. Now here's one thing that I want to just put out. Just because I can sell Fisher Price and I can sell Paw Patrol items or Nickelodeon, whichever company manufactures those, just because I can personally sell those on Amazon does not mean you can. Or if you're a new seller, does not mean you can. So I want to show you another option. Right here is eBay. Okay, like I said, you buy these for $6. Okay, sometimes cheaper. And this is what the current sales look like for that exact search phrase. I just copied this thing right here, stuck it into eBay, and looked under the sold listings. This is what I found. Okay, one sold today or yesterday for $20. I buy it for $6. I ship it. It probably cost me $4 to ship it, maybe $4 or $5 to ship it. So I'm gonna make like $5, $6 profit off this one item. Okay, selling it at $20. Selling at $17, I'll probably make like $3. Okay, so that's what you need to understand is you can buy these items, sell them on Amazon, sell it on eBay. This is what we call retail arbitrage, and you can make a great deal of money. I'm talking about $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, $10,000 a week doing this exact same thing. Now, the next thing I want to show you is how do you private label items. Okay, the reason why I'm showing you retail arbitrage and private label. One, retail arbitrage is very time intensive. You have to go out and physically find these items, or you use software. There's a software called Tactical Arbitrage. If you want to try it out, there's a 7-day trial. It costs you $1, but I'll put a link to the trial down below if you want to go check it out. It is a $100 a month software, but you can make a lot of money very quickly from that exact software. So you can do retail arbitrage and online arbitrage, but it takes a little bit of time. But the next business, the thing that I love, okay, is private labeling, where I go out and I find a physical product, for example, like this stress ball right here. I find a product like this and I slap my label on it. I go to a Chinese manufacturer, a manufacturer somewhere in the world, have them make the product and put my own label on that product. And then I go ahead and sell it on Amazon. let me show you kind of what I do. So here's an item right here that, I just searched one of these up really quick just to see. And if you want to know more about private labeling, like I said, go and get the course. It's 50% off as long as you use that link in the description box below. So this item right here, you can buy it between $1.80 and $3.50 per piece. Let's just say it costs $5. Okay, let's just assume it costs $5 with the cost of the product plus shipping. Okay, so $5 for this item right here. Over on Amazon right here, this exact item, this one right here, okay, you can see it right here, this exact same item is currently selling for $19.99, $20. Okay, now let me show you something. This is a software I use called Jungle Scout. Now Jungle Scout is going to go and search and figure out, okay, how many products of this exact one sell per month. You can see it over here. So at a ranking of 16,000 in sports and outdoors, it sells about 117 units per month. Not bad, right? 117 units at $20, okay, is what it's selling for. So what that means is I'm making some money. So let's see how much money I could potentially make. So it costs $19.99, or I sell it for $19.99. I'm gonna pay $5 for it. Okay, see how much profit I'll make. So I'll make $6.78 per item, per unit sold. Okay, which is actually really good. So this item that's currently selling about 117 per month at this ranking, I'll be able to make, $6, say $6 at 110. So I'll make what, $660, something like that, off this one item per month. Okay, that's just one item. And then if you factor in you're doing retail arbitrage as well, plus you go and find other items that work along with this, work in conjunction, can sell even better, that's where you're really going to build that business to get $1,000 per week from doing this simple strategy. Now here's what you need to understand, is that doing private label is gonna take some money. It's gonna take an investment up front. Now, one of the reasons why I like to discount my courses every once in a while is so that not only can you get all the information that you need to be successful, however, you can save some money in the process and you can invest that into your products. Okay, so go and use the discount code below. It will give you 50% off my private label course. Second thing, if you don't have any money, one thing I recommend you do is I do have a $10 guide. Okay, it's 40 profitable items every reseller should know. So if you go to yard sales, garage sales, you look in your house, go to thrift stores, secondhand stores, Goodwills, you can find products there that are very inexpensive and you can make a good deal of money. Okay, I'm talking about pay $1, make 15, pay $10, make 80. Okay, it doesn't happen all the time, but there are items out there everywhere you can find that can make that kind of profit. So that one, that guide, the 40 items every reseller should know, that's a $10 guide. That will help you get started. All right. So one thing I just want to end this video with is this business is for everybody. And I'm not just saying that for the fun of it. I'm saying that because I have a 5-year-old son. He's purchased stuff from yard sales and sold it on eBay. Now, obviously, that was with my help. Okay. I have a 9-year-old son that has purchased stuff from Marshalls, from Target, from Nike, from a bunch of different stores, and I listed online on eBay and Amazon, and he's made the money from it. So, is it something anybody can do? Yes, you can. Doesn't matter if you're a 5-year-old kid. Doesn't matter if you're a 20-year-old kid. Doesn't matter if you are a 75-year-old retired military vet. You can still do it. Okay? This is a business anybody can do. It's not that difficult. There are videos all over YouTube that are free that will help you get started. But again, I highly recommend you take a course if that's the route you want to go. But again, the information is out there. Go and look for it. If you don't have the time, invest in the course. Okay? And right now, like I said, description box below, 50% off discount on my private label course. Go get it now while the discount code is still active. If you have any questions on the course, how to make money online, how to do retail arbitrage, any of that stuff, just comment down below. I'll help you out any way that I can. All right? So, if you enjoyed today's video, if you learned something from it, Make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you want more videos on how to make money and just better your life, and I'll see you guys on the next one.